If you are interested in this career path, you may be wondering what it's like to work as a forklift operator in Portugal. In this video, we will cover the duties of a forklift operator, the requirements to become one in Portugal, and the potential job opportunities and salary expectations. So, what does a forklift operator do? Essentially, a forklift operator is responsible for moving materials within a warehouse, construction site, or other industrial setting. This can include loading and unloading ships, trucks, and trains, as well as moving materials around the warehouse or construction site. Forklift operators use specialized equipment, such as forklifts and pallet jacks, to lift and transport heavy items. To become a forklift operator in Portugal, you will need to have a valid forklift operator's license. In Portugal, this requires completing a forklift operator training program and passing a written and practical exam. These programs can be found at vocational schools, community colleges, and private training centers. It is important to note that you must be at least 18 years old to obtain a forklift operator's license in Portugal. Once you have your forklift operator's license, you can start looking for job opportunities in Portugal. There are many industries that rely on forklift operators, including logistics, construction, and manufacturing. You can find job openings through job search websites, recruitment agencies, and by reaching out to companies directly. In terms of salary expectations, the average salary for a forklift operator in Portugal is around €1,000 per month. However, this can vary based on factors such as your level of experience, the company you are working for, and the industry you are in. With experience and additional training, you may be able to earn a higher salary. Overall, working as a forklift operator in Portugal can be a rewarding career path with good earning potential. If you are interested in this field and meet the requirements, we encourage you to pursue it and see where it takes you. Thank you for watching this video about working as a forklift operator in Portugal.